our managerial economics tutorial questions. That's for the weekend and the evening school. So we are moving on to tutorial question 3. So the tutorial question 3, it states that consider a firm with a total cost function TC is equal to 5,000 plus 6K plus 0.03 K squared. The firm operates in a perfect competitive industry and sells its output as the market determined price of 5 Ghana cedis. I. How much output should the firm produce to maximize its profit? II. Calculate the profits of the firm. Okay. So we've been given total cost function. So we have a total cost function. So the total cost function was given as TC is equal to 5,000 plus 6Q plus 0.03Q squared. So this was the total cost function. Now, we were also given price in the question. Price in the question was given as 5 cedis. Let me go back to the question. So with the I part of the question, how much output should a firm produce to maximize its profits? How much output should a firm produce to maximize its profits? Now, you know that under this topic, we have two approaches you can use. The first one is using the first order, second order condition, or you adapt the concept of marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost. It depends on the one you want to use. So I'll use this one because this one is a bit simple. Okay. So I have marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost. So in finding marginal revenue, I now I'll find the derivative of total revenue with respect to Q. But in the question, there's no total revenue. So it means we have to first solve the total revenue. So total revenue TR. So total revenue is equal to price times quantity. We're given price in the question. That was 5. So 5 times Q. So it means total revenue is equal to 5Q. So this is our total revenue. Since we have our total revenue, we can find for, so this is our total revenue. Since we have total revenue, we can now find for marginal revenue. So in finding the marginal revenue, or yes, in finding marginal revenue, you find the derivative of what? Total revenue with respect to Q. So the total revenue was 5Q. So the marginal revenue becomes 5. So this is marginal revenue. Now we need marginal cost. So with the marginal cost, Now, in finding marginal cost, we find the derivative of total cost with respect to Q. So with the total cost, we're given 5,000 plus 6Q plus 0.03 Q squared. Those are total cost function, this particular one. That was our total cost function. So you are finding respect to marginal cost. So the first one is 0. The next one gives us 6. This gives plus 0.03 times 2 gives us 0.06. So I have 0.06 Q. 2 minus 1 is Q. So I don't bring 2 minus 1 is 1. We don't have Q exponent 1. It's just Q. So this is marginal cost. So per the formula, we know marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost. Where marginal revenue is this? Marginal revenue had 5. So marginal revenue is 5 is equal to marginal cost is 6 plus 0.06 Q. We group like 10. This is 5. You move this minus 6. This is 0.06 Q. This gives us minus 1. This is 0.06 Q. Since we are finding for Q, we divide both sides by the coefficient of Q, which is 0.06. So Q is equal to, so let's do 0.06. So a minus 1 divided by 0.06 gives us minus 16.67. So you can notice that we are making a negative output here. So let me put a small note. The firm will have to shut down its production. So the firm will have to shut down its production since it produces a negative output. So now the next one, we are saying that the same condition, MR should be equal to MC. So MR, okay, we've already, let me check. This is total revenue, so the marginal revenue. This is marginal, we've already done that. So we move straight to the B part of the question. So with the BII, which is the B part of the question, calculate the profits of the firm. So profits of the firm. So with the profits of the firm, you know that profit is total revenue minus total cost. So we have to solve for the total revenue. So total revenue is P times Q. Total revenue is P times Q, where we have P to be 5. Now the issue is with this Q, what do we put there? Now take note. We had a negative output. Since we had a negative output, we would assume Q to be 0. So we have a negative output, so therefore you make Q is equal to 0. So 5 times 0 would give us 5. So that's total revenue. Now with the total cost, we were given 5,000 plus SQ plus 0.03 Q squared. This was our total cost. The same concept, Q is equal to 0. So I have total cost is equal to 5,000 plus 6. This is 0 plus 0.03. This is also 0. This is square. So total cost is equal to 5,000. So this is our total cost. We are finding for profit. You know profit is total revenue minus total cost. Now we have total revenue to be 0. Total cost is 5,000. So we have profit to be minus 5,000. Now we are having profit to be negative. So per the question, that was our profit function. The profit function was, so they said I calculate the profits of the firm. So I move back to our solution. So this is our marginal cost. I've solved it. I got marginal cost from total cost. I had marginal revenue for total revenue. Now I have QTB minus 16.67. That's output. So this is our profits. Total revenue minus total cost. So I have total cost now to be 5,000. Total revenue is 5. No, sorry, let me correct this. Total revenue, there is a mistake there. Sorry about that. There was an oversight. 5 times 0 is 0, not 5. Sorry. I'm so sorry about that. 5 times 0 is 0. So let's check the subsequent one if there's any issue. Yeah, so that's it. So I even did it here. But the other side did it 40. So 0 minus 5,000. Profit is equal to 5,000. So you are making a negative profit. So that's all for the question. 3 parts of the tutorial questions.